What's going on, everybody? Jim from Grassroots Strumming. This is a basic exercise, but worth sharing and showing because you're going to need to break up the pattern. We get stuck with certain grooves if you're a right-hander or left-hander, we just want that pulse and then we can do fancy stuff. What I'm trying to say, independence. And that's really important. Even if you're doing something in a song where you're just laying it down, then you have to go to the ride cymbal during the B section. Maybe you're just putting down quarter notes there. So in this exercise, I have a little demonstration play along, and you'll see the notes on the screen. You can pause it if you want and practice that. But basically, we have our basic eighth notes here, and the first variation is just quarter notes. So the 2-bar exercises, then upbeat eighth notes. And then the next one, I just did eighth, quarter, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when we get down, we get some 16ths. We go 1 EN, 2 EN. So you want to try different tempos and always think about internalizing, go slow, and get the clarity there. And then I did the opposite where we have the eighth to 2/16. 1 and 2 and like this. 1 and 2, 3. And then measure 13, you'll see it in the music on the screen. You'll get 1 E, 2 E, 2 E, 4 E. And then I do the opposite on the upbeats. 1, 3, 1. You want to get it down where you're just not thinking about it, because then you can put in different patterns with the kick, snare drum, or what have you. But before you go, if you like my content, it really helps out if you hit the thumbs up button, because then I know what all of you want. You dig? You dig? All right, keep playing, keep practicing, and I'll see everyone real soon. And I hope you know that my camera's following me. Okay. We don't want to see